Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a topic that's both fun and fascinating, natural aphrodisiacs. Yep, those foods that can help boost your libido and spice things up in the bedroom. Let's get started. First up, we have oysters. These slippery little guys are famous for their aphrodisiac properties, and it's not just a myth. Oysters are packed with zinc, which is crucial for testosterone production and maintaining healthy sperm. Plus, they're also high in dopamine, a hormone that increases desire. So, next time you're planning a romantic dinner, consider adding oysters to the menu. Moving on to dark chocolate. Besides being delicious, dark chocolate can actually enhance your mood and increase sexual desire. It contains phenylethylamine and serotonin, both chemicals that make you feel good. A small piece of dark chocolate can go a long way in setting the mood. Now let's talk about avocados. Not only are they a superfood, but avocados are also great for your sex drive. They're rich in folic acid, vitamin B6, and potassium, all of which are essential for a healthy libido. The next time you're making guacamole, think of it as more than just a tasty dip. Next on the list is watermelon. This refreshing fruit contains citrulline, an amino acid that boosts blood flow and can help with arousal. It's like a natural Viagra. Plus, it's hydrating and perfect for those hot summer nights. Don't forget about almonds. These nuts are full of essential fatty acids, which are key for producing hormones like testosterone. Plus, their aroma is said to have a sensual effect. A handful of almonds might just be the perfect snack before a romantic evening. Ginseng is another powerful aphrodisiac. This root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to increase libido and stamina. Studies have shown that ginseng can enhance sexual performance and improve erectile dysfunction. Consider adding ginseng tea to your daily routine for a natural boost. Let's not overlook garlic. It might not seem like the most romantic food, but garlic is great for your sex drive. It contains allicin, which improves blood flow and can help with sexual energy. Just make sure to balance it with some breath mints. Next on the list is pomegranate. Packed with antioxidants, this superfood may also enhance your sex life. One study found that drinking a glass of pomegranate juice daily for 2 weeks improved testosterone levels in both men and women. Testosterone is essential for increasing libido in both sexes. Next on the list is berries. Blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, and raspberries are considered aphrodisiac fruits. Rich in flavonoids, these fruits not only support overall health but may also help men maintain erections. Studies have linked flavonoid-rich foods to a reduced risk of erectile dysfunction. Additionally, blackberries contain zinc, which plays a role in regulating testosterone production. Lastly, we have bananas. Rich in bromelain, an enzyme that increases libido, and potassium, which helps with energy levels, bananas are a fantastic natural aphrodisiac. They're also high in B vitamins that can improve your mood and reduce stress. So there you have it. Some delicious and natural ways to boost your libido. Remember, it's always best to enjoy these foods as part of a balanced diet. And of course, consult a healthcare provider before making any major changes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.